Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to transfer funds from Venmo to Fidelity account. So first open your Venmo app on your phone. This is where you will start the process of linking your Fidelity account. So once you're on the app, tap the Me icon located in the bottom right corner to access your settings. Now tap the gear icon in the top right and then select payment methods from the list. Next tap add bank or card, then choose card. This is where you'll add your Fidelity debit card and enter your Fidelity debit card number, expiration date, security code, and zip code. Or you can simply tap the camera to scan your card. And once you've entered your details, confirm the card is linked to your Venmo account, and this will allow you to transfer funds directly to your Fidelity account. Now that your Fidelity debit card is linked, you can easily transfer funds from Venmo by selecting your Fidelity card as the payment method when moving money. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully linked your Fidelity debit card to Venmo. You can also use option 2 and 3 if the previous option didn't work. For this, go to fidelity.com security third party app protection /Venmo and you will find the steps here. And that's all there is to it, and I'll see you in the next video.